Okay. Julia, what do you? Black pepper. Yeah. Personal.
Have it. Hey. Hey. Everybody can dance.
And everybody a dance.
I said go?
Everybody can dance and everybody a dance.
Right.
Yep. On our way to Caldo Tours. Everybody up? Well, the truth is not everybody up because we have to break it up. So that shoot here, because Sparta and Christina have a video shoot. So them gonna deal with the video shoot. So I me and the first lady are roll today. And we have a shoot with Camille and Trevor. And we just make a one stop, you know. Because the ladies them say them want sugar cane and them want coconut water. So we're on another shoot. Remember, new season, new reason.